What's up mga paps? Nagbabala ka bang bumili ng carbon plate shoes? Wait lang, bago ka bumili, pag-usapan muna natin ano ba talaga yung carbon plate shoes. Ang carbon plate shoes are designed mainly for racing and speed workouts kasi it gives extra propulsion, pero they often have firmer midsoles na pwedeng maka-stress sa legs mo over time. If you're a beginner and planning for easy runs and high mileage training, it's usually better to wear more cushioned, non-plated trainers to reduce fatigue and injury risk. Save mo na lang yung carbon plate shoes for race days or key speed sessions to maximize their benefits and lifespan. After all, hindi mura ang carbon plate shoes mga paps. Yun lang. Happy Sunday. Run, run, run. Arcobia. Hee